Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul today. I went to my local Dollar Tree and found some really cute stuff, so I thought I would share them with you. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you what I got. So these are new. I don't think these are the ones that they had before. They've had something similar to this, but not this exact like pattern. But like I said, I really like these stickers in the fact that I don't specifically like the little silver outline base sticker. Here, let me open this. So I don't really like the little base sticker that it's on, but I like this little plastic piece. You can just peel this right off and it comes off. And then I typically just use a little glue to adhere it on, and it looks really cool. It looks like a real little butterfly sitting in your planner or your journals. So that's typically what I do with these. I don't really like the silver outliney thing. So I found this yellow set. It's kind of brown orange set. I love that one. And then I like these ones so much. I like them that they're tiny. They've got a couple smaller ones in there. That one's really cute. Yeah. And then this really pretty blue and yellow one. So pretty. I love that one right there with the pink and the purple in it. So yeah, I was excited to see these there. Her name, my friend Karina hauled these on her channel. I'll leave a link to that down below if you want to check it out. She does a lot of Dollar Tree hauls as well. And we are friends through Cheaply Chic's Facebook group and just being on YouTube together. And so anyway, she had hauled these and I was like, oh my God, I need those so bad. Really no idea why I needed them or what I'm going to do with them. Little word sign, and it's from the Crafter Squares. I found these in the poster, like where they put the wall stickers. That's where I actually found these at. So I was surprised to find them there. I didn't think that they would have like Crafter Square stuff outside of the Crafter Square aisle, but they did. So this one is really cute. I love the family one, and there are holes at the top here, so if you want to hang it, I'm assuming you can kind of just hang it on the wall. And then I found the happy, which I was so excited about, and then I found the home. So I think I'm going to do happy home, or I might do family happy home. I don't know. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I just knew that I had to have them. And then I found these really cool chalkboard crop it stickers. I'm not sure what the crop it means, but like they're stickers. Oh, I didn't realize there was two of them. It does say pack of two. I just want to open these up real quick. So yeah, it's just a chalkboard sticker. And I was actually thinking about doing using the black stickers. I think I hauled last week. Yeah, I think I hauled them last week. They're like the black ones with the flowers on it. And I was thinking about doing kind of like a blackout theme in my planner. And so these will be great for that. I totally forgot about that until just now. Actually, now I wish I kind of bought more, because I can actually cut these up into little strips and put them on there. And yeah, that will be really cool. And then it'll like basically be all like black with those stickers. I found some hair products there. So I found this scrunchie that's like fuzzy. I'm kind of thinking I might give this to my mom. She likes things that are kind of like the color of her hair when she wears things in her hair. I don't know if she'd like a scrunchie though, and then I found these ones. I'm kind of thinking maybe she'd like these. I probably should have bought two of these because now I want one, and I kind of think I want to give one of my mom. Anyway, they're like little like silky scrunchies, and I like the size of them. They're really cute. And then I loved this like matte finish on this clip. And I love the design of this clip, how big it is. My hair is really thick, so it's really hard for me to use these types of things, but sometimes when you gotta put your hair up, you gotta put your hair up. And then I've just found some more elastic bands to, because you know, these walk away somehow. They leave the house and it's like one use basically. An interesting thing about the hair things is they were in the, like they were in the front where the school supply stuff was, which I thought was weird. Anyway, this is a hand sanitizer. So excited to find, and it's a Germex is a name brand, I'm pretty sure. I think I've seen that before. So I will put this in my purse for further use. And then I got a couple other little like toiletry type things. I bought another one of these. I really like these. I think they work really well. I decided that I wanted to try these little fiber, microfiber pipe face pads, and I haven't seen them. I thought I wanted to try them next time I see them, and then I haven't seen them, but now I finally saw them, so I picked those up. I was so excited. I found some stickers. I really actually love these. I think they work really well. They're not like the best, but I mean, they do their job and it lasts, and you just put a clear coat on it and it lasts for about a week. And the reason I got so many, I think I actually have another pack in here somewhere. I think I got 4 of them. Yeah, I got 4 of them because these ones have the little tiny like French tip ones, and I don't really like those. I don't really like it. I like to have my whole nail covered up. So, and yeah, so I went ahead and just got 2 because I really like this style. I think that's really cute. And then I found some acrylic nails. I've been actually doing my own nails. And these are just full like tip things. And I mean, they don't last great. They don't last a long time, but I mean, you know, because the nail place is closed. But I thought for $1, I'm just going to try these. I don't think they're going to be big enough for some of my fingers, like my thumb. I don't think there's a big enough thumb one in here, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to try them to see if they work at all. And then I found I found this really cute nail polish. I'm actually going to put it on right now. I need a piece of paper or something so I don't get my desk all dirty. Let's see. I just want to try a little bit of this right now. I bought this color that I have on right now. I bought this at the Dollar Tree, and it's the same brand as the LA Nails, and I'm actually pretty impressed the way that it stays on. And I just thought this was really cute with all the different multicolors, and I thought it would be cute to try, so I'm going to try it. So you kind of have to dab it on because of the dots, to get the dots on there. Yeah. Guess I didn't really think that through, because now I have to do the rest of the haul with this one finger not in use. Just add another little piece right there. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. I typically like to have at least one little nail with some accessory on it. And yeah, I like that. So, and then let's see, I've got makeup wipes. I haven't seen this brand there before, or the packaging at least is new, with the aloe vera extract. So I don't know. I use their wipes typically a lot. Let's see. I also found these darling socks. I think they're really cute for summer. I don't really wear socks in summer, but you know, I mean, they have little pineapples and watermelons and cherries on it. They're so cute. And then the strawberries. Like, they're adorable. I had to get them. I had to. They're adorable. And then I always buy my Lady Speed Stick there. And then I had to buy some batteries for this little ribbon cutter thingy that I made. I had to buy some more batteries. And then I also found this yarn. I love this color. I don't really have any idea what I'm gonna do with it. But again, it's at the Dollar Tree. It's $1, and it's I don't think it's a Dollar Tree brand. They had some different colors. They had like orange and red, and I think they might have had like a green. I don't remember exactly, but I loved the color, these two colors, the gray and the kind of this really deep teal. I really liked those colors. Okay, I found two more list pads, shopping list, and this one is Fresh and Delicious. This I think I'm going to use in next month's, actually technically it's this month's, Cheaply Chic junk journal, because she's doing like a fruit theme. So I bought that specifically for this because I just love the strawberries. And then this one I'll just put on my refrigerator and use it for a shopping list. Go figure. And then I found the little planner sets. So they had this one, and they also had the floral one. And I decided to go ahead and get this one. I am thinking I'm going to try, we'll see if it works. I'm going to try to make a, I'm going to take this out real quick. Okay, so it's small. It's not, I kind of felt like it was bigger on the screen for some reason. I don't know why. It is 7.5, a little over 7.5 by about 5 1/4, about 5 1/4. And so it's pretty small, but I figured, you know what I could do? I'm going to try to make it a sticker book. There it is. I'm going to try to make it a sticker book. So it's interesting because I didn't necessarily realize that it had planner sheets in here. And I don't think it has enough for the whole year, but it definitely has enough of the monthlies for a whole year, because the monthly is all on one page, which is kind of cool actually. Because you can almost do just like a monthly planner and then have like kind of be like your, what did that call that when it's like a running planner of all the stuff that you have going on? I don't know. But anyway, I was thinking about using it as a sticker book, like making it like one of those Happy Planner sticker books. So I did buy the, I'm going to open this real quick. I did buy the sticker sheets that go with it. And they're, oh, I thought they were going to be all the same, but they're not. How cute are those? So there, you got 2 sheets of the kind of plannery stickers and then 2 sheets of the cute little like, so yeah, I can definitely put them in there. I'm wondering if this is the same sizing as the Happy Planner. Let's see. So this is my Happy Planner dashboard. I'm just going to see if it fits in here. I mean, I know it's not the same size, but like I'm wondering if the holes, oh my gosh, it is. So I can use my Happy Planner punch. Huh. Interesting. Okay. That's cool. All right. So I got that, and then I got some stickers. I thought what I would do with these stickers is actually just cover up this 2020. Because honestly, who needs a reminder of 2020? No one needs that reminder ever. So I think I'll put the crate on the front, maybe the you got this, I don't know. And then I bought these because I thought this would work good for, these are the tabs, so it has different tabs on here. And I thought what I could do, I'm going to open this too. What I thought, because it's got kind of a, it's not matte. What's the other thing? Why can I not talk today? Glossy. That's the word. I swear I can't talk today. These are actually really cute. It's got the glossy. This would make a great just thought of this. This would make a great planner for like a little girl that wants to have like a planner like her mom. Like if you're a happy planner person and you want like a little planner for your daughter or your son. I'm not judging. I mean, sons like stickers too. But this would make a great little planner for them. You can buy all these little components for them and have them put it together. And oh my gosh, that would be so cute. But anyway, that's not why I bought it. I don't have a daughter. But yeah, so this, what I was thinking is you could take stickers. Probably should have had stickers here with me. You know, that probably would have been good. But anyway, I'm probably going to do a video about it anyway. So if it ends up working. But then like you could take a sticker and kind of like glue it on here because it's glossy. It'll come right off. Yeah, both sides are glossy too. So I was thinking I could stick these in there and then have pages to put the stickers on. And then that's why I also purchased these. I purchased this because honestly, I really like this cover better than this. But hold on, let me open this. Again, not really fond of the 2020 thing, but look how cute this watermelon is. I mean, oh my gosh. That is so adorable. I think this would make a really cute journal, like a journal, like one of my journal books in my Happy Planner. Like one of my, I don't have any in here because I had to start a new planner. But basically, you know, if you did like a watermelon theme and you could just stick this in here as a little thing and cover that up with something. Or cut that off even. You can just cut it off because it's at the top. And it would make such a cute, and you can have like put a little word right here or something. Yeah, that's really cute. I'm probably going to end up doing that. I'm probably going to save this for the next time I do a watermelon spread. Because inevitably I will do another watermelon spread because I like to do watermelon spreads. But I really liked this cover, this teal kind of cover. I definitely would want to cover that up. So, yeah, I'm almost thinking about doing it like this, having this in the back. But yeah, so that's why I bought those. But I do kind of like that this all matches. So I'm not sure. Not sure. And then I went ahead and bought the large extender, black and pink, because I figured I probably would want to extend these. And I do plan on making at least 2 of them. I did get 2. I technically got 3 of them, but, you know, don't judge. I did only get 1 of these, which I probably should not. I should have got it, but I probably got more of these. But anyway, I was really excited to find this stuff. And it's interesting because, again, I don't know what's up at this store, but they had this stuff in like the crafter square aisle. And then all the rest of the stuff was in like the office supply stuff. I'm like, so you're going to have this, but then not, and then have all the components that go with it separate. So if I wasn't looking for this, I wouldn't even have known really what it was. But since I've seen haul videos with these on it, I knew what it was. And then I went into the office supply stuff looking for the accessories and then found them. So you always have to look around in that store. You just never know where people are going to put stuff. All right, so I think that's all I wanted to share with you. I think this rambled on long enough. I really had a lot of fun finding this stuff, and I hope this little thought that I have about doing a sticker book is going to work, because I think it'll be really cute, I think. I hope. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, bye guys.